Alright, I'm Jack Brudskill, and this is my bike check. I've got Odyssey Griswald grips with Odyssey parens, Shimano brake lever, Odyssey gyro cables with an S&M redneck XLT stem, Sunday tall T bars, a Snafu Mobius detangler, S&M forks with stolen joint HP tire. I do not recommend this tire. It breaks really easy, gets popped all the time. Got a Primo front rim with just these Primo spokes and a Primo hub, Primo Pro hub. I've got a G-Sport G.L.A.N.D front hub guard with Primo pegs front and back. I've got just a stock Colt headset that I got from my friend. Volume Union Los Angeles frame in beige. I've got Primo Hollowbite cranks with Animal Hamilton pedals. An Odyssey bottom bracket. I got a Primo Fat pivotal seat with an FBM seat post. I've got a Colt chain, a Primo mixed back hub with another G-Sport G.L.A.N.D, same as the front spokes and rim, same, just that one's silver. And I've got a Maxxis Hookworm tire. And that's my bike.